We're at Gaviola's resident. It's always nice to go here. I have my Tita Lydia, one of my best aunties. And the steward. My cousin's husband, Joey Stewart. So I have my cousins here. Magtatagalog na lang ako. Hirap na ako mag-English. Nosebleed. Kaya, Tita Lyd. Po.
Get your shoes.
Ay, madumi po eh. Okay lang. So I have, oh, this looks good. Like, is this a small?
Tiny pancake.
Ako yata to. Tiny pancake. Saan po yan? Sino nakabili?
Galing ah.
Bongga.
I love tiny. You know I like tiny. Maliliit. I collect it. I collect it. Frank po na doon po sa sasakyan. See. Hi, Tita Lyd!